Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add Stripe payment to Lovable.dev Web application. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your project right here. In my case, I have this travel web page where then I want to add a donation on which they will then go ahead and use Stripe as a payment. Now to do that, it is extremely simple. You just want to type something like add a Stripe payment method for donations, or you can put something like add a Stripe payment as a payment method for the marketplace if you're building something like an marketplace for your web page. But in my case, it's going to be a donation since this is only a web page on which people could visit. So let's hit on the send button, wait for Lovable.dev to do its thing, and from there we basically have to follow some steps in order for us to integrate Stripe into our web page. So in our case, it's going to be adding a Supabase to our native integration. Now this integration will enable back-end functionality like payment processing with Stripe. Now from here, it will then tell you to do these things. You want to set up secure payment processing with Stripe, store donation records in a database. That's why we need to connect it into something like Supabase, handle authentication if needed, and create backend APIs for payment handling. So to get started, you want to click on the green Supabase button on the top right corner of the interface. So in my case, it's going to be this button right here. Of course, once again, you just want to follow the instruction listed on your specific Lovable.dev project. From here, I then want to click on connect to Supabase. It will then let me connect my account to a database. And from there, it will then implement the Stripe payment method. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.